How to move furniture over carpet with Airsled hoverblades. This video is a part of Airsled's Hoverblades video series and will demonstrate how to move a credenza on tall thin legs weighing 360 pounds over carpet. It will also explain how Airsled's rough surface adapters and even cardboard can be used when moving loads over carpet. This 60-pound wooden cabinet with 6-inch tall legs resting on a rug was loaded with 300 pounds of sandbags to simulate moving a 360-pound credenza over carpet with Airsled hoverblades. Airsled's rough surface adapters, also called RSAs, can be used to create a smooth, solid surface over carpet. Place the RSAs directly on the surface. Tape can help keep them together to maintain a path during the move. Place the hoverblade's air beams directly on the RSAs. Airsled's 36-inch adjustable spacers are required to close the gap to the load's base. With spacers in place, position the air beams completely under the load. Using Airsled's XL 36-inch long hoses is recommended due to the load's width. With the RSAs in place, Airsled hoverblades had no problem moving this heavy load over the rug. Cardboard can be an alternative to RSAs and deliver similar performance. When pushing a load forward, using your foot can improve maneuverability. Remember to always remove your shop vacuum's dust bag before hoverblade use, and clear all debris from the tank if using the vacuum without its filter. Airsled hoverblades naturally work with 2.5-inch blower ports. However, there are shop vacuum models with smaller blower ports which are incompatible with the hoverblade's 60-inch lead hose. For those models, Airsled offers a universal iris adapter. Connect the shop vacuum's original hose to its blower port and use Airsled's universal iris adapter to attach the hoverblade's kit. Reinforcing the adapter's locking mechanism with tape can prevent it from being pulled open during use. Learn more at airsled.com.